I'm going to show you how to stop or disable Parsec from opening as soon as your computer starts or automatically starts. So in Windows, what you can do is right click on your taskbar and open the task manager. And from here, you want to go to the startup tab if you are on Windows 10. I think it's the same as well for Windows 11. Otherwise, you can access it from the right click on the start button, apps, and from here, startup apps. And now in the startup apps window, you can look for Parsec. And if it's enabled, if it says the status is enabled, right click on it and click on disable. And that should basically disable it from automatically starting when Windows boots up. So if it says disabled, that means it won't run. If it says enabled, it will run automatically on start. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.